Hey guys, this is Chris Dominguez back with another sponsored ndau Enlightened video. In today's video, we go over step number 8 in getting started with the ndau NFT Forge, which is buying an NFT on your Shopify store. ndau is the world's first adaptive digital currency. As a new category of digital asset, ndau is optimized for a long-term store of value with staking rewards and a goal of buoyancy. ndau provides all the benefits of a digital currency while promoting fair and accountable governance, dependability, and greater safety not found in existing cryptocurrencies. ndau is supported by a decentralized ecosystem designed with built-in economic structures that incentivize both stability and potential for growth. Simply holding ndau in the ndau wallet app allows you to earn additional ndau through ecosystem alignment incentives, as well as a bonus for locking your ndau. For example, you could be earning up to 25% ndau on a 3-year locked account in your wallet app. For more information, go to the ndau.io website. In today's video, we're going to review how to buy an NFT on your Shopify store. Hooray! Very important. Before we continue, on your storefront, add some messaging that tells your customers to connect their crypto wallet before purchasing an NFT. If they purchase an NFT before connecting their wallet, they will never receive their NFT purchase. The explanatory text at the top of the Onero NFT store is a great example of how to easily walk your customers through the process. Feel free to copy and paste this text and use the same language and links on your own store. I will link the Onero NFT store in the description of this video. If your customer is already crypto savvy, they can actually use any wallet that supports Polygon NFTs and Wallet Connect QR codes. But the BZ wallet is very easy to use and is highly recommended for beginners. You can also use this guide to try buying a beautiful Bulldog NFT for free at the Roman Bulldog Rescue Shopify store. Now let's go through the process of a customer buying an NFT on Shopify. After your customer sets up their BZ wallet, they will go to Connect Wallet button in the upper right part of your Shopify store. When a customer clicks on that Connect Wallet button, a QR code will be displayed. In this example, we're using the BZ wallet in a web browser on the same desktop as we're using to view the Shopify store. So we won't be using the camera. Instead, we're going to click the Copy to Clipboard button to copy the QR code data to your clipboard. Go to your BZ wallet and click on the QR code scan icon. Click the clipboard icon to paste your login QR code into the BZ wallet and then click the submit button. The BZ wallet will show you a pop-up message saying you are connected to Shopify, and the Connect Wallet button will disappear from your Shopify store. Now you're ready to buy an NFT. Go ahead and purchase an NFT like you would purchase any ordinary product on a Shopify store. Once the purchase is complete, the NFT will be automatically delivered to your wallet. In this example, I purchased a Stella Fan Club VIP membership NFT. And you can see it was automatically delivered to my BZ wallet. And you're all done. That's how you buy an NFT on your Shopify store. If you'd like more information, go to the ndau.io website, as well as like and subscribe for another weekly ndau Online video. If you haven't done so already, download the most updated version of the ndau wallet and write a review. Please note, I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is for informational purposes only. Have a great day and keep stacking ndau.